Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Citroen C4 Cactus. This is a one-owner vehicle that comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's done under 26,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.